Okay, we have Ashley and Payton presenting their special space project to the class. Ashley, do you have something you want to tell us about your project?
It was made of...
You're going to have to talk a little bit louder though, okay, honey?
It was made out of balloon with paper mache and Legos.
Okay, made out of balloon. How come we can't see the balloon?
Because I put newspaper over it.
And did you have to put a special kind of glue on there to get it to stick to the balloon?
Yeah.
Okay. And then I see some other marks right over the newspaper. What are those?
Just like rocks things. I'm gonna try to cover
Do you know what those are called?
moon craters.
Say it again, Declan.
Moon craters.
Moon craters. And Declan, what are moon craters?
I already told you when I was doing that.
Okay, could you tell us again?
They're like holes that asteroids make from hitting the moon.
Okay, Declan, how about going and pointing to some of those craters on there? No, can you go up real clear to it? Right. Hey, Peyton, what is on top of the moon there?
A Lego guy and a flag.
And why is he holding the American flag? Do you know why he's holding the American flag
Put
up
an
there?
American flag on the moon.
Why do you think that astronaut put an American flag on the moon?
It's an American flag.
Did you know that the Americans were the first that walked on the moon? And that's why they put the American flag on, to show everyone in America, we did it. We made it first, walking on the moon.
And
So,
I know what their names are.
could you tell us their names?
Buzz Aldrin and Neil Armstrong.
Buzz Aldrin and Neil Armstrong. Okay, do you have something you would like to read to us, Ashley? Go ahead. Nice and loud.
You really see. All I can see is
So it would feel like being in a...
so it would feel like being in space.
The moon has no gravity, so if you were on the moon, it would feel like being in a swimming pool. Okay, what does it say here? The moon has no water, no air, and no life on it.
How could they live?
It would take 132 days to drive to the moon. That's a long time to get there.
It only took 2 days to get to Yellowstone, and it would take that many days to get to the moon.
It took 2 days for you to drive to Yellowstone, and it would take 132 days of driving to get from here to the moon. The moon is made up of what, Ashley?
Rocks.
That came together and made a great big... Okay, and you already told us about Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin being the first people to walk on the moon.
It took 6 hours to get them ready.
Did it? Wow, that's a long time to get ready for something. And then Peyton, what are you showing us there with your finger?
Star.
It's a star. And how did you make the star?
I used a ball and I spray painted it, and then I put little fireballs to make it look like a star.
Okay, do you have something to read to us, Peyton? Should we turn it around? Perfect. Awesome. Okay, Peyton, go ahead.
You can see
3,000.
3,000 stars
With your eyes.
with your eyes. There are more stars
There are more stars than grains of sand on the earth. Stars are like what? Fire dust and
Gas.
gas. Good. Stars look smaller than the moon because why?
They're farther away.
They're farther
Way
away.
bigger.
But they are actually much bigger than the moon, like Peyton just said. Stars are really bigger than the moon, but they don't look big to us because they're just so much further away. Well, girls, thank you so
Are they
much.
bigger than us?
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Nice job on
Way
that.
bigger than us and the moon. Yeah. This is going to bring me